Knowing what not to do is more important than knowing what you need to do to enter the stock market. Because when you enter the stock market, it's not only you who enter. Your money, your mind, your lifestyle, and even your family comes at risk. Because they may be dependent on you or you on them. And your one wrong decision can ruin your life and that of your family. Stock market is not easy. 90% of people fail here and only 10% succeed. If you want to come among those 10% people, then you will have to work hard for that. And it is important to have patience because in haste, you take wrong decision and then you curse the market. If we talk about the specialty of stock market, then the best thing is that there is no shortage of opportunities. Here you will get hundreds of opportunities every day to earn money. So if you miss some opportunities, do not regret it. You will keep getting new opportunities. Now let's come to the point that what are the things that you have to keep in mind while taking entry in stock market. Look, whatever things I am going to tell you all from my personal experience. And I have put things in a sequence and you have to take care of the sequence. Because all these things will work in this sequence only. And no one will tell you all these things. If you want, you can search the entire YouTube. But you will not find such information anywhere. So as I mentioned earlier, before we talk about do's, we will talk about don'ts first. Number 1. Never start with intraday trading. As a beginner in stock market, you need to invest time in learning and getting experience which will help you to build confidence gradually. Intraday trading is the most difficult trading which requires advanced skill set and lots of experience. If you are a beginner and you are starting with intraday trading, you will have to compete with the best players in market, where your chances of winning is less than 1%. I took 1% just because sometimes luck factor plays its role, but maximum time you will lose in it, and you wouldn't want that at all. Point number 2. Don't start with futures and options. First, let me talk about the capital requirement which is required to trade in FNO. So for futures, you require at least 5 lakh of rupees, and for options, you require 1 lakh rupees of capital. Along with this, you should have clear understanding of options data analysis, hedging, call, put, PCR, and many more advanced concepts. Futures and options is a high risk, high reward game because one wrong decision can vanish all your capital in just one day, and one right decision can double it out. So as a beginner, you should not put all your capital on risk. This is a rule which you can't avoid. FNO is a game which is played by the biggest player and the most experienced player of stock market. They have ample amount of money to manipulate the market and turn themselves into profit in any scenario. But that doesn't mean it's worthless. India has the biggest equity option market in the whole world of 99.6% share of trading in derivatives. I will tell you one place at the end of the video where you can practice it out absolutely free, so stay tuned with this video. Point number 3. Never ever put all your capital in market. Stock market is full of uncertainty. One bad news can turn all market sentiments from positive to negative. The best 2 examples that I can give you on this scenario is COVID-19 and Russia-Ukraine war. That's why all market experts give emphasis on portfolio diversification so that you can guard your investment in any kind of market. We will talk about it in detail in some another video. Point number 4. Never avoid stop loss. See, stop loss is your friend. It saves you from big losses which you can make when you have entered into a wrong trade by mistake. Many people do not take stop loss. As a result, their loss increases so much that they lose all their capital and they can never make profit again. So don't do that mistake. Point number 5. Do not take any random trades on someone's advice or by watching on television or by reading on WhatsApp. Don't get excited by all those things. Have patience and never take those random trades. As a beginner in stock market, you must focus on learning things by yourself. Read yourself, understand everything, analyze and then invest. These random trades can harm you the most, so do not take this. Let's come to the point 6. Do not overtrade. First of all, we'll talk about what is overtrading. Any trade that you take according to the mood or to recover your loss, the same trade is called overtrading. Because trade according to the mood or to recover our losses, then at that time we are trying to take revenge from the market. And it's a fact that till date, no person has been able to win from the market. If you have booked a loss, then close your computer. Take 3 to 4 days gap or more. Analyze your mistakes, study more, and then take a fresh start. Okay, now let's come to the do's. Start under somebody's guidance. I would like to explain this to you with a very simple question. How a small child learns to walk? A small child learns to walk by holding the finger of his parents. And in the same way, when you enter first time, you must have to enter under any expert's guidance. Because they know all about that particular phase of market in which you want to enter. And they will give you the best suggestions according to your capital so that you can have a cracking start. See, there are many children who learn to walk on their own, and in the process they fall, they rise, fall again, get up again, and in the end they learn to walk. Now you have to decide whether you want to learn by falling or want to learn without falling. Point number 2. Start with short-term trading or swing trading. Short-term trading refers to those trading strategies in stock market in which the time duration between entry and exit is within a range of few days to few weeks. On the other hand, swing trade is a style of trading that attempts to capture short to medium term gains in a stock over a period of days to several weeks. The best part about this is that it manages both your stress and risk very well and gives you time to learn more. So start with this. Use only 25% of your capital in beginning. If you have 1 lakh rupees of capital, then start only with rupees 25,000 maximum. And as you keep learning, your confidence will increase and gradually you will increase your capital as well. Let me give you a pro tip here that you should never put more than 40% of your capital in stock market in your whole life. This is a rule. Blue chip stocks is a huge company with an excellent reputation. These are typically large, well-established and financially sound companies that have operated for many years and that have dependable earnings. The reason why I'm saying to trade in these stocks that these companies have survived several challenges and market cycles. That's why these companies give you comfort to stay invested in short term and even long term as well. And remember, I'm only talking about stocks, not its derivatives. Point number 5. Make trading rules and stick to it. Rules are extremely important in trading. You cannot break it. And as a beginner, you must have to follow all these rules which I have told you earlier, because this is not a video. This is a rule for every beginner. So you have to follow it. Always trade emotionless, like a machine. Machine doesn't have any emotions. And they never make any mistake. Be a trading machine, but never overtrade. Last point. Enjoy life. This is the most important thing which you have to do. That is, enjoy your life. The biggest mistake people do when they enter into stock market, that they start looking at the market for whole day. They forget to eat. They don't give time to their family. They do not meet anyone. They don't go anywhere. They stop enjoying their life. And I've seen many people even leave their jobs. Never do all these things. I've given this advice before, that you have to deploy maximum 40% of your capital in stock market. Never more than that. Because when people put in more money in market, their mind gets into again and again. whatever things I have said so far, there is a logic behind it. And any beginner who will bring this video in his real life has to make profit, and I guarantee that. This would be a great start for any beginner. Now you can press the subscribe button.
And as I promised, I will tell you a place where you can practice future and options for free. So open your Google and type Opstra, and you have to click on this first link and click on get started, or you can directly go from here, click on portfolio. Here you can build your strategy, click on it. Here you can buy futures, expiry options, and here you can buy options, and this is the expiry. And let me show you. So I will select options, and I will select a strike price. So I will select 16,800, yes, put option, and I will add position, and here is a graph. So the margin required is 772, and probability of profit is 12.65%, and you can save this from here. Click on save strategy and give it a name. I will give it put option, and I will just save it in my real portfolio. Or okay, I got to limit, so I cannot add more. So you can add maximum 2 as this is showing, and from here you can see option data. Click here, and here this Nifty is 28 separate option series. Here you can have a look here, and this is Bank Nifty. You can see put call ratio 1.07. I will make a detailed video on it explaining everything. So see you.
If you like the video, do not forget to press the like button and share it with your friends. Also hit the subscribe button and bell icon to get immediate notification of my upcoming videos.